You will never die because of this incredible scientific discovery. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to our groundbreaking YouTube video that's about to unveil an incredible scientific discovery that could change the course of human history. Prepare to be amazed as we dive deep into the world of longevity and explore a product that might just hold the key to eternal life. Since the dawn of time, humans have been fascinated by the concept of immortality. That if you want to buy in this product, check the buy link in the description. But first, you want to need full video. Completely, we've explored countless avenues in search of the fountain of youth, from ancient legends to modern medical advancements. Today, we bring you a discovery that has sent shockwaves through the scientific community, a product that has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of life and death. But before we unveil this incredible product, let's delve into the science that makes it possible. We'll explain the fascinating discoveries in the field of cellular regeneration, DNA repair, and the astonishing breakthroughs in biotechnology that have paved the way for this innovative. Every groundbreaking discovery has a team of brilliant minds behind it. We're going to introduce you to the visionary scientists and researchers who have dedicated their lives to unraveling the mysteries of aging. Get ready to be inspired by their dedication and passion for pushing the boundaries of what's possible. It's time to reveal the product that's causing a sensation in the scientific community and beyond. This product, which we'll unveil shortly, has undergone rigorous testing, and the initial results are nothing short of astonishing. Prepare to witness the future of longevity and what it could mean for you and your loved ones. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty. We'll break down the science behind this product, explaining how it works on a cellular level, the potential benefits it offers, and how it might just be the answer to the age-old question of how to prolong our lives. Don't just take our word for it. We'll share real-life testimonials from individuals who have experienced the effects of this incredible discovery firsthand. Hear their stories, learn about their experiences, and gain a deeper understanding of the potential impact this product could have on your life. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. We'll discuss the ethical and moral implications of this discovery, exploring the questions of who should have access to this product, the potential societal consequences, and the importance of responsible usage. As we conclude this video, we'll look ahead to the future. What does this discovery mean for the world? How might it reshape the way we think about aging, healthcare, and our understanding of a human lifespan? Join us as we ponder the exciting possibilities that lie ahead. If you want to buy this product, check the description. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the world of scientific discovery. Remember to stay tuned for updates on this groundbreaking product, and be sure to leave your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. If you found this video as fascinating as we did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing content. Until next time, stay curious, stay excited, and remember, you will never die because of this incredible scientific discovery. In conclusion, the promises of eternal life through a product may be enticing, but it's crucial to approach such claims with skepticism. While advancements in technology and science continue to enhance our lives, the idea of immortality remains speculative. Embracing a healthy lifestyle, staying informed about medical breakthroughs, and cherishing the present moment are essential for a fulfilling life, rather than relying on unverified products promising an elusive eternity.